The implementation of small molecule methods for bioanalytical projects will affect the quality, throughput, and reputation of a laboratory. The method must be durable, accurate, and precise, and when done correctly, will be optimized to fit the ethos of the laboratory. Good assay development should be done in the least amount of time and resources possible for productivity, but this should be balanced with a fit-for-purpose attitude. Small molecules require different development timelines depending on their molecular characteristics. The development process for molecules takes anywhere from hours to weeks based on their solubility properties, polarity levels, and ionizable group presence. Before starting method development, multiple essential questions need evaluation. What is the purpose of the study? Regulatory study methods will require full validation, so this should be accounted for in method development. What detection limits are required? The selection of instruments, together with sample preparation methods and validation requirements, will depend on the detection limits needed. The achievement of ultra-low detection limits requires advanced analytical methods that demand significant resources. Is a stable label internal standard available? The use of these standards enables the most accurate quantitation because they eliminate matrix effects and extraction variability. Without them, alternative approaches must be developed, extending timelines and complicating validation. The evaluation of these questions at the beginning will result in a method that fulfills its intended purpose while preventing future costly modifications. Several elements must exist to create a rugged method for small molecule analysis. The evaluation of these factors at the beginning of a study enables the detection of matrix instability, recovery issues, and extract purity before they can impact study results. High-resolution mass spectrometry has experienced significant advancements in automation capabilities, instrument sensitivity, as well as quantitation accuracy and precision since its clinical introduction. Recent technological breakthroughs have transformed bioanalytical methods by making them more selective, sensitive, and reproducible for standard small molecule bioanalytical applications when triple-quad mass spectrometers fail to provide sufficient selectivity. The HRMS instrument allows researchers to determine the accurate mass of the analyte while generating complete product ion spectra that include fragment charge states from a single injection. The parameters established for these methods can be transferred to instrument methods operated on triple-quad mass spectrometers. A fully automated sample preparation process becomes possible when these components are properly addressed, enabling hands-free execution of sample pipetting, internal standard addition, and MS instrument injection and extraction. Laboratories can reach the required sensitivity, selectivity, and reproducibility for difficult small molecules through dedicated method development efforts.